I'm walking around Old Town Alexandria. There's Louie taking pictures.
This thing here, that's ice there already. Unless you have a good vehicle to get over that, you're not going anywhere.
That is a good one.
Look at this. This is Court Street right there.
Well, they don't have the shuttles today by water.
Dogs are going crazy over there. Okay, let's keep going that way. Keep going that way.
You haven't gone the steep
Right there, right there, right there. Good.
I got you on here while you were taking my picture. I don't know if I cut you off though.
Going this way when I could just go like this.
Wow, that place is closed. I'm going, not going that way?
This
Oh.
train. Okay, shut.
Oh, it's slippery.
cheated. There's a trash can underneath it.
Wow.
So, I mean, there's not enough. No, I mean, there's too much hassle. So, use a trash can.
Snowman over the trash can.
Let me see if I could get a low. Should wait for that.
Yeah, at some point I guess if you keep waiting for the next one, you're gonna wait forever.
Yeah.
Whew. Can't even see. That tree has a lot of snow on it.
See what I'm talking about?
Alley not even plowed. Cars are buried. Because it's all blocked off. I don't want anybody walking around getting hurt. It's leaning sideways.
Maybe a little further down.
Wow.
This is kind of wild here.
That is so cool. Car buried.
You can actually get around and show how the branch fell on.
There's no way getting up there though.
Like that. You can already see that it's on the cloud.
Oh, yeah.
Nice Cadillac.
Yeah, with a branch on it.
Branch on it. You know, the
Tree
funny
up
thing that
there.
the snow may have protected it.
Yeah, that's true. Everybody's up there cleaning their car off. The wires down in the middle. Got a lot of low wires up here, but they're not that low, but they're getting there.
I didn't miss it because this is the angle you shoot from anyway. See something here.
There wasn't a snow fort.
You can do one more. One more. Belly or top.
This is cool. A bunch of families all together, working together, having fun.
Woo!
That was cool. I like the snow forts over there.
I know.
Snow forts are cool. It looks like they're starting another one too.